Miss any new update. I want to present you with a unique idea for home decor. So today I am making a beautiful bottle decor. You can present this as a gift some of your friend, family and professional circles. Let's see how to make. Using glass bottle here, you can use glass bottle or any plastic bottle here. This is my homemade gesso. Will show you in my next video. First I'll apply the gesso on the bottle. Now I'm done with applying gesso on the bottle. Let it dry for some time. After dry, it will look something like this. Next, I'm applying the black acrylic paint here. To make the flowers, I am using Airdry Clay here. First, I'll make the flower. To make the flower, dust the mold with any talcum powder to get the nice shape. The details of all the items required are mentioned in the description box below. Please do check them out. So this is how I made all the flowers by using this mold. Next I'm making some leaves here by using the leaves mold. Now my bottle is ready. It's all dry. Stick on the bottle using any glue here. Now I'm applying some glue on the top of flowers and leaves. I wanted to give an elegant look to the bottle by adding a spear on top of nozzle. For this I used aluminium foil here and shaped it with Airdry Clay and added some texture effect. Again, I'm coloring the flower and leaves to get a various shade with acrylic paint here. To get a shiny look, give a touch up with a metallic gold. Don't forget to varnish to get an outstanding look. Here I couldn't get that in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.